So, access control systems, from the most basic punch a number into a keypad at a door that releases a lock and lets you in, to biometrics where we're doing face recognition, thumbprint scanning, retinal scans, all of these type of applications. We've done design and integration of all of these, an awful lot of experience with the Carrier UTC ATS line of products, the Advisor Advanced products, and the ACT access control technology products. We've integrated incredibly large systems using both of these technologies and have kept up to date with the latest in terms of biometric readers, your PIN, prox access, this type of thing. So from your humble single keypad to a large scale 80, 90 controller networked system, we've experience in all of that and we can help you out with any of it. So if it's something that you're looking for and you feel we can help you out, get in touch and we'll set you right for anything that you need. Thanks very much.